I'm Ahir. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a supercar. Let's begin. The supercar is Lamborghini Gallardo LP574 superleggera. The car is manufactured in Italy. The top speed of the car is 340 km per hour with a 5.2 liter V10 engine. So let's start the unboxing. Wow, the car is amazing. Isn't it good? The car is made of solid metal. The car is pretty smooth. The doors are openable. So the color of the car is matte green. The wheels are of good quality. The wheels are black in color and the interior is too black in color. The spoilers are even black in color. The headlights are also good. The tail lights are also good. This car was made in 2013. So thank you guys for watching my video and please like and subscribe.